House tour part 2. Welcome to my kitchen. Stitch. Oh, leftovers. I don't mind if I do. Oh, it's wet. Ew. Happy faces. I like eating happy people because it makes them sad. Oh, whoa. I was just about to open that, but let's be honest, something is gonna fall. Oh, thank God. Oh, that almost fell. Do you like my bomb? Bombs are in here. Ooh, squishy metal. Open the door, have a look at this. Boom. Open this door, have a look at this. Have a look at me popcorn. Have a look at my microwave. I'll put you in there if you want. How long do you want? A minute? 30 seconds? I'm joking, I'd never put you in there, you'd melt. Oh, candy flowers. Oh, I've got jelly fruits. Sorry. Okay. Oh. Let's see what's in there. Ooh, yummy. Well, I guess I will see you in part